Mommy, thank you so much.
Aww. Huwag ka nga dito.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
Aww. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is meron tayong ganap because today is Kylie's birthday. So, kagabi, nag-decorate na ako ng kanyang birthday decorations. Here's your dede. Ako na muna. Ako na. Bitaw mo. Bitaw, oh. Flying kiss.
Love you.
Love you.
Where is Daddy?
Outside. Diyan ka lang.
Outside?
Ha? Don't go outside.
That is so cool.
Wow. You like cupcake? Oh, what do you want? Pink or white?
Pink.
Pink. This one.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
Happy birthday. Basahin mo nga yan. Read mo nga.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Correct. Happy 5th birthday, Kylie. You are already 5 years old. Yay. Uy! Wait. Sarap. Eat na tayo, ha? Happy birthday.
It's delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah.
That's all for you.
Yeah.
It's all for you. And also this one, hot dog.
Yeah. Hot dog and marshmallow and banana.
You like it? Happy ka?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Love you. Love you.
I like this.
You like that. Meron pa ako sa'yo isang surprise. So, nakita ko kasi sa online, may mga nagbebenta ng rabbit. So, nag-order ako online, tapos kaninang umaga, dumating na siya. Ngayon, ganito guys, gumawa ako ng box na pang, tawag dito sa games na yun, what's inside the box. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. So, kanina guys, gumawa ako ng box, which is, eto siya. Ang gagawin ko, para ma-surprise ko si Kylie dun sa rabbit, kumuha ko ng mga items na ipapahula ko sa kanya. Like tissue, is may bag na parang bear. Pagka tinatch mo siya, para rin siyang balahibo ng rabbit. And then, meron ding ponytail. Basta, may mga items akong ipapahula sa kanya. Pero, pinakita ko sa kanya lahat yon. Ang sabi ko sa kanya, hulaan niya lang kung ano yung nilagay ko sa box dun sa mga pinakita kong item. May isang item ako, yung bag. Papakita ko sa kanya na ilalagay ko sa box. Pero, papalitan ko yon ng rabbit. So, doon natin siya isa-surprise. Beb, game na! Let's play na. What's inside the box? Game? Beb, post mo muna yan. Post mo na. Yan. Yan. Hulaan mo yung mga bagay, yung mga item na ilalagay ko sa box. Okay? Hulaan mo, ha? Tapos, pag nahulaan mo lahat, bibigay ko na sa'yo, surprise ko sa'yo. Okay? I'm gonna put all the items here. Okay? One by one. Tapos, oo, halimbawa, ito, lalagay natin dito sa box. Tapos, gaganon mo ng hand mo. Tapos, huhulaan mo kung ano yung nasa loob ng box. Okay? Ganap ako ng ibang item, ha?
surprise anymore. You don't close your eyes.
This is a
Okay, correct. Close your eyes now.
Hindi, baby.
Okay, close your eyes. Okay.
It's not that.
Close your eyes now. Close your eyes. Okay.
Yeah.
What is that?
Good galing ah.
Very good. Close your eyes
Ingat
now.
ah.
Close your eyes now.
Correct.
Next, close your eyes.
Eh,
Okay,
go.
Okay, okay. You can.
Sige.
Go, get na.
Pizza.
Ano, dali.
Pizza naman.
It's what? So nice.
It's Georgetown.
No, it's not Georgetown. You're wrong. Georgetown is there.
Georgetown, please.
Wala sa dati. Dali na. Georgetown is outside. Oh, you look Georgetown outside. Dali na.
Okay. Georgetown is there.
Dali. To China. Dali, again. Again. O, ano ko sa'yo? Kita ko sa'yo, ha? Oops. You get. You guess.
It's not like
Wow. Close your eyes open. Close your eyes open. Wow. Next. Next.
this is in the board.
What's that? It's so nice. It's a rabbit. Your favorite. Yeah. It's a pet. It is very fine. Yeah. You show Lolo what's that.
Wait to go.
Show.
Like that, Diamond?
Yeah, it's nice.
See? So, let me see, dali. You get it. Inside. Ito. Inside, come here. Wow! It's so cute.
Like it?
You like it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Dali mo siya to sa isa, dali.
Oh, kuha. Ito. Oh. Get it.
Oh my gosh.
Slowly lang, ha? Slowly. So, go. Slowly lang. Up, wait. Slowly lang. Sige, go. Slowly lang. Don't let it fall. Go. Oh, slowly lang. Patay.
Sige, put it sa.
Here
Yeah.
we go. It's so cute.
Oh, it's
Are you happy?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, it's cute.
How about the carrots? What does she like carrots?
Carrots?
Huh?
Ay, si George na, no?
Oh.
Love mo na yan. Tuwan-tuwa ah.
Thank you so much.
Ah, dito ka dito.
Thank you so
bata. Pa tayo ng bahay nila. Dali na. Pa tayo bahay.
Okay.
Dami nila. Oh, ito na lang. Ito mo na lang sila lagay. Ops, wag mo kunin. Wag mo kunin.
Bunny.
Girl, what are you doing?
Oh, this is nice.
Yung arte mo talaga na. See? And then, this one.
Yeah.
Eh. Oh, lagay mo na doon. Lagay mo na. Bago.
Yay!
Careful, ha?
Okay. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Oops, careful. 2 hands na, 2 hands.
And 2 hands.
No!
Ew.
2 hands and 1 rabbit.
Oh, hey.
Ito, parang hindi maano kasi kawawa naman. Lagay mo muna dyan baba. Yan na. Oh. Put it down. Yung isa sleeping.
Okay.
Go. Careful. Go, no! No!
I'm so scared.
Oh, scared siya. Mapipila ya. Oh, kawawa naman.
Okay.
Oh, the other one. Sleeping rabbit.
Yeah.
Oops, don't piray! Napitak mo na siya doon. Put it down na.
Okay.
Put her down.
Okay, go.
Careful. Right, very good.
Yay, she is so stupid. Oh. Yeah.
Pakain ko kaya ito kay George na.
No!
George na!
Fire! That's fine. No. Fire, no. Fire, no. Fire, no. No.
So, kainin yung George daw.
Mommy.
Doon na natin yung sarong para hindi nakainin. Doon.
Don't
Wait lang, wait lang. Sarong mo. Okay. Careful, baka malaglag. Careful.
Okay. I'm drowning. Open the door. Thank you.
Careful. Yun na. Baby mo yan.
Yeah.
What can you say? Are you happy? Super happy? Di halata. Wala. Bababain mo sila dito.
Oh my god. Mommy, I love you. Thank you so much for taking where the bunnies. What's happening?
Go, may kaliskis ako. Yeah. Wow. Ito naman. Nakawawa nga naman yung bunny natin. This is Bobs, the white. And this is Bonnie.
Yeah, that's cool.
Bobs, Bonnie.
Bunnies? Bunnies! I would...
Where are you going?
Wait, are you gonna supply?
Ha?
Supply and...
Dito.
Huh?
Saan ba? Wala. Hanapin mo doon sa labas. Wala ba
I
doon?
can't do it!
Sige na, go. Fine.
Look outside, they can't see!
Alin?
Outside.
The brush? Hanapin mo kasi.
Yeah.
Wag! Dali na, hanapin mo na yung ano to.
I yell. Ew.
Bye.
Oh. Go.
Ew! No, I will not, give it to you. We'll get tissue. Ala!
Sunny, wrapping. Ew! It's scary! Oh my gosh! It's sweating! Look at these tail!
that?
His tail, Mommy! That's the bunny's tail! He's sweating. Whoa!
Don't shout.
Hey! No!
She likes you.
New pet. This is my new pet. Yeah. I don't like Kasha anymore. She's funny.
Ever since naman, ayaw mo ito.
But I like bunnies. I like bunnies too. And I ate mommy too.
Hanapin mo yung crush niya dito sa
She's already sleeping. Wow! She's already sleeping.
Bone is the girl. This is Bones.
Yeah, that's close.
This is Bone.
Yeah.
Bones the boy.
Yeah.
Bone the girl.
No, that's the girl at
No,
all.
this is boy.
Oh, this is the girl.
Yes, that's the girl.
This is white and
What is
brown.
her name?
Bobs.
No, this is Bones.
Okay.
This is... this is...
Huh?
Bones.
This is shy. Oh my gosh, she's ready. She's shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. No! No!
Ayaw mo naman eh.
Okay. Tut, tut, tut.
Enough na yan.
See?
Let go! Gagi ka!